No slurping, no burping. A tale of table manners. Evie and Simon always mind their manners. Sometimes they have to mind their father's manners too. On Monday, Father pounds his silverware on the table. "I'm hungry," he yells. "When do we eat?" "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "First, we place our napkins in our lap. Next, no elbows on the table. And no yelling," Simon adds. That's right. On Tuesday, Father eats a big bowlful of soup. Slurp, burp. "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Don't start eating until everyone has their food." "And no slurping or burping," Simon adds. On Wednesday, Father reaches across the table for salad. Oopsie, he knocks over the dressing. Oopsie. "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Ask politely when you want something passed to you. Be sure to say please and thank you." "And no reaching," Simon adds. On Thursday, Father tries to wind all his fettuccine around his fork. Hee ha ha ha. He tries to fit all of his mushrooms in his mouth. "Let's mind our manners," Evie says. "Food is for eating, not for playing. Take small bites. And swallow before you speak," Simon adds. On Friday, Father is not hungry. "Minding my manners is hard," he says. "There are so many rules, and my brain is full." "If you don't have room for manners, I guess you don't have room for a special guest," Evie says. "A special guest," says Father. Ding dong goes the doorbell. Who's here? "Hello, my darling," says Grandma. "Let me take your coat," says Evie. "Grandma," says Simon. "Mother," says Father. "I'm hungry," says Grandma. "Are we ready to eat?" "I'm ready," says Evie. "I'm ready," says Simon. "I'm ready," says Father. Father is on his best behavior. He puts his napkin in his lap. He keeps his elbows off the table. He doesn't yell. Of course, when Mama's there, you don't do anything wrong. He waits to start until everyone has their food. He doesn't reach across the table. He says please and thank you. He doesn't play with his food, and he takes small bites. He doesn't speak until he swallows. Wow, he's learned all those lessons throughout the week, huh? "That dinner was very tasty," says Grandma, "and very classy. We've been minding our manners," says Father says proudly. "Time for dessert," says Simon. "Chocolate coconut cake? My favorite," says Father. "Good behavior deserves a sweet reward," says Evie. Ooh, that looks like a yummy cake. Yummy, yummy. This is delicious," Grandma says through a mouthful of cake. Oops, she's making a mess. "Let's mind our manners, Mother," says Father. The end. No slurping, no burping.